Steady. Get your feet set right. Tight stomach. Get your air. Use your speed. Good. Steady. Step, step, step. Set your toes. Stomach in. Chest high. Speed. Oh, that was easy. Strong. Yep, there it is. Steady. Good. Perfect. Use your speed. Come on, Eric. Up, elbows. Beautiful. So nice.